Dear friends, today we are at the Hague city in Netherlands to explore an iconic symbol of international law and peace. It is the Peace Palace, or generally known as the International Court of Justice. So, welcome to the Peace Palace, one of the most iconic landmarks in The Hague and a global symbol of peace and justice. The Peace Palace houses the Permanent Court of Arbitration, the United Nations International Court of Justice, and the Hague Academy of International Law. These institutions are supported by the Library of the Peace Palace, one of the most prestigious libraries in its field. Commissioned in the early 20th century and officially opened in 1913, the Peace Palace was made possible thanks to a generous donation from Andrew Carnegie, a Scottish-American philanthropist who believed in peace through dialogue. The building's striking neo-Renaissance architecture, designed by French architect Louis M. Cordonnier, is complemented by artworks and gifts from countries around the world, from Italian marble to Japanese tapestries. The Peace Palace can only be visited with a guided tour. These tours are limited and need early reservation. But the visitor center at the palace is free to enter. Here, you can listen to an audio tour to learn more about the history of the Peace Palace and the work of the institutions housed in the palace. So, today, I'm taking you to this visitor center. At the entrance of the visitor center, you'll discover a simple yet powerful symbol, the wish tree. Visitors from all over the world stop here to write their personal wishes for peace, justice, and a better future, hanging their messages on the tree's branches. It's a quiet, reflective space where thousands of handwritten notes flutter gently in the wind, each carrying a hope for humanity. Placed in front of a building dedicated to resolving global conflict through law, the wish tree is a beautiful reminder that peace doesn't just begin in courtrooms, it begins in the hearts of people. The Visitor Center provides visitors with an immersive experience of the history and significance of the Peace Palace. Upon entering, guests can embark on a free 30-minute audio tour, available in 10 languages, including Dutch, English, French, and Chinese. This tour delves into the origins of the Peace Palace, its architectural marvels, and the pivotal roles of institutions like the International Court of Justice and the Permanent Court of Arbitration. You can also watch video interviews, case summaries, and animated presentations explaining how global legal disputes are peacefully resolved here. Just outside the visitor center, it burns a small but powerful flame, the World Peace Flame. Installed in 2004, this eternal flame is a global symbol of peace, hope, and unity, bringing together the dreams of people and nations from all over the world. What makes it truly special is the circle of stones surrounding the flame. Each stone comes from a different country, engraved with the name of the nation it represents. These stones were collected from more than 190 countries, forming a circle that represents the entire world standing together for peace. The flame itself was created by merging flames from 5 continents, flown in by peace workers and supporters, then united into one eternal fire. In this sitting area, you'll find these stones are inscribed with the word peace in various languages, including languages like Arabic, Chinese, Spanish, English, Dutch, French, and many more. These words come together to symbolize the global desire for peace, transcending linguistic and cultural barriers. As we come to the end of our journey through the Peace Palace, we're reminded that this monumental building is not just a physical structure, but a symbol of hope, unity, and the ongoing pursuit of peace. Like inscribed in this monument, may peace prevail on earth. See you soon. Safe travels.